Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I install my mini twist, and I hope you can gain a thing or two from it. So let's go. Before I started shooting this video, I already had half of my hair done, and it was kind of easy for me to install because I already had some cornrows. So what I did was every section of the cornrow I loosened it and started to twist it. Once I was done, I moved on to the next section. So it became easy to divide and give me at least some perfect lines. So you see what I'm doing in this section. I am trying to loosen the braids, like I said earlier, and then once I'm done with that, I'll just end up dividing each section and then twisting it up. It makes it so easy because we had issues with electricity. I could not film the remaining parts of the twisting. I just had to film little, but this is what I did. I just twisted the hair from the roots for the back section, and when I moved on to the front section, I braided a little bit before twisting it. And this is because I wanted the front section to stay neat for long. If the back section actually goes rough, it might not really be obvious compared to the front. And also I wanted to make it more easier when it's time for the takedown process, because the nature of this kind of twist is, tiny and mini and a little bit tighter than bouncy and chunky twist. It might get a little bit difficult to loosen if I do not do it this way. So it becomes very easy for me to loosen if I don't have to braid the roots. But then for the front, just to ensure that it stays nice, I decided to braid it. Well, even though I could not show you, I'm so sorry about that. So I didn't moisturize my hair throughout the process because I wanted it to be tight and not look chunky. So I just took my time after twisting the hair to moisturize the hair using the Rookie Hair Care product. I got this product I think about a month ago, and I really loved it, especially the leave-in conditioner, the butter and the oil. So I'm just going to go on to use the leave-in conditioner. You can see the product. Leave-in conditioner to first hydrate my hair, and then once that is done, I moved on to using the hair butter, and then I use the hair oil to moisturize my scalp. You can actually use the hair conditioner, move on to the hair oil, and use the hair butter. It depends on you, but I just feel like using conditioner and then butter after makes sense, so that my hair does not get too overloaded with products. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So that's basically it. If you have any questions that you'd like to ask, if you have any other video you'd like me to do, before I forget, I actually would like to do styling video of this twist, and I guess it will be put up next week. Yeah, but apart from that, if you have any video that you want me to create, you can just let me know. And then I'll also like to accessorize this my twist, but I don't even know where they sell accessories for hair. I saw a particular video of someone that uses accessories for a twist, although she used it with extensions, but I cannot wait to add it to my hair. If I can find it around this place, I'm going to so love it, because accessorizing a twist is one way to make it so beautiful, and I cannot wait. If I ever find accessories, I'm definitely going to show you how I accessorize them. So I'll see you in my next video. I hope you liked it and already gained something from it. Yeah, till we meet again. Bye folks. Bye.